Here we have the Compaq TC1000 and I did some upgrades. Let me show you the system information. So what I did is I upgraded the memory to 1 GB equals 1000 megabyte. I also upgraded the hard drive to 160 GB. I also found the original Windows CDs and I installed it, Windows XP. Also includes all the drivers and basically includes all the software. And I turned that CDs into ISO and I installed it through a USB. I also found the CDs for the 1100 version I have, and I will do that later. But this one currently it's upgraded to the max memory, 1 GB, and I also upgraded the hard drive to 160 GB instead of the SD card. And it's working nice. I also installed Firefox so I can use the internet. And that's basically all. Let me show you in the control panel. With the SD card it boots much faster. With the hard drive it takes a bit time to boot up. I guess it's because it's running on a battery. This kind of slows it down. Let me show you. As you can see, the boot time takes some time. And here we are. Let's go into control panel. And let's go system. And here you can see the one gigabyte hardware. Basically that CD installs everything, and there's still some software I should install. But mostly everything is included. Oops. Fans working. Works new. Basically that's all. Turn it off, and that's all.